Metronome Beats is an Android application designed for musicians and music enthusiasts to provide a reliable metronome for practice and performance. This app generates a steady pulse or beat, helping users maintain consistent timing while playing instruments, singing, or practicing rhythmic patterns. Featuring a simple and intuitive interface, Metronome Beats allows users to easily adjust the tempo, typically ranging from very slow to very fast beats per minute, BPM. Many versions of the app offer customizable time signatures, enabling musicians to practice in different rhythmic contexts. The app often includes features like visual indicators, sound variations, and the ability to create practice routines. Some versions may also allow users to save and recall their settings, ensuring quick access to preferred configurations during practice sessions. Overall, Metronome Beats serves as a valuable tool for improving timing, enhancing musical accuracy, and supporting effective practice routines for musicians of all skill levels.